Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning class. How are you UKG class? How are you going winter holidays? Okay class, have you reading and learning at home? Okay, good. Now tell me what is the day today? Today is Monday. MON month, DAY day, Monday, comma 11th January, comma 2021. How is weather like today? Sunny day. Okay, now revise the weathers. Sunny day, windy day, rainy day, foggy day, cloudy day. Now revise phonics with me. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z. Okay class, to raise your workbook time, it's your English period time. We will do workbook today. That is page number 57 and 58. Topic is naming things. Now come to the workbook. Come to page number 57. Naming things. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Okay. Here are the pictures at the end and in the middle of the sentences. You will look at the pictures and will write down the name of that given picture. Number 1. I have 3. What is this? Cats. You will write here cats. I have 3 cats. Number 2. The color of dash is red. What is this? Flower. Here you will write flower. Number 3. I eat an apple daily. I eat an apple daily. Number 4. A hen lays eggs. Number 5. The bell is ringing. The bell is ringing. Number 6. She is reading a book. She is reading a book. Number 7. My favorite toy is a car. My favorite toy is a car. Number 8. The man is eating. The man is eating. Fine. Okay, now come to page number 58. What's the answer? What's the answer? Look at the pictures and read the questions. Yes. Number 1. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? Under the beach, beside the tree, on the beach. You will tick in the right option. On the beach. You will tick here. Number 2. Where is the bird? In the tree, in the cage, on the fence. In the cage. Number 3. Where is the duck? In the pond, near the barn, beside the house. In the pond. Number 4. Where is the cake? In the oven. On the table. I don't know. I don't know. You will tick in that block. Yes. Number 5. Where is the giraffe? On the road, under the bed, in the zoo. You will tick in the zoo. This is your page number 58. Fine. This is your English workbook. Okay, fine. Yes, UKG class. Now it's your reading time. Page number 22 and 24. Let's start revise some difficult words. Fine. Let's revise difficult words. Into. INTO 2. Into. Shop. 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 Go. 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 Rabbit. 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 Please. Shop. Shop. Says. Help. COME. Come. Fish. 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 Want. Want. Man. Okay, now come to the reading. Page number 22. Yes, look at the picture. Where is Peter and Jane? They are at shop. They want to take rabbit. Okay, they want rabbit. Now come to the reading. Peter and Jane go into the shop. Peter and Jane go into the shop. We want that rabbit. We want that rabbit, says Peter to the man. Says Peter to the man. Yes, that one, please. Yes, that one, please. Here you are. Here you are, says the man. Here it is, he says. Here it is, he says. Again revise. Peter and Jane go into the shop. We want that rabbit, says Peter to the man. Yes, that one, please. Here you are, says the man. Here it is, he says. Now come to page number 20. Start. Jane and Peter like to help Mummy. Jane and Peter like to help Mummy. They go to the shops for Mummy. I like to shop, says Jane. It is fun. Come on, Peter says. We have to go to the fish shop. Come on, Peter says. We have to go to the shop. Go to the fish shop. Yes, says Jane. It helps Mummy. Again revise this page. Jane and Peter like to help Mummy. They go to the shops for Mummy. I like to shop, says Jane. It is fun. Come on, Peter says. We have to go to the fish shop. Yes, says Jane. It helps Mummy. You will revise this page number 22 and 24 again and again. Fine.